What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video. And today I'm excited and pleased to open this box of shoes because I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for a while. It is the YEEZY Knit Runner Faded Azure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. Let's go. So, right into it. I just got this today. I bought it on GOAT, I believe, and I paid out the ass by mistake. I knew these were going to go down in price, but I figured, considering the market for these, since they're rare, would be around that just under 300 mark. I was willing to pay a little bit over 300. I went in on this and ended up paying about $322. $290 base price with shipping and all that stuff, but whatever. Now they're running around $230, $240. So if these feel good on feet, I might just cop another one just because it's not a bad price. Anywho, here's the box. I go size 13 on these. Fade Azure, Fade Azure, Fade Azure. Just like with V3s, 700 V3s, and the 450s, I go a whole size up. Half a size with regular 700, 700 V2s, and YEEZY 350s. So the reason why is, like, I heard these fit super snug. The box is just regular old. It says Knit Runner. They took out. It's weird. They didn't take out the I in knit. Anybody ever notice that? Like, they take out all the vowels except the I in knit. It's interesting. Adidas. Like, even like it says YEEZY Knit Runner. Like, why not take out? I don't know. All right, getting into these. There's one. There's two. I thought these were a little more bluish from pictures. They're really not. It's a gradient. I watched a video on how to dye shoes like this. It's kind of cool. The fabric. The materials here are crazy. So let's just get into the specific details. Right on there, it says size 13. That's cool. I like it when it tells you the size. All right. Oh, it's green on the upper front toe box. Kind of firm up here. Flat. Nice. Sort of like a herringbone type of, texture there. Kind of firmer up in the front. Not much. Oh, it's got that sock like upper stretchy here. Let me take this shit out. I'm definitely gonna wear these, so I'm gonna take all this shit out of here. I don't know why they have that form fit thing. It says YEEZY in the insole. Nothing special at the top. This is very firm. I heard that is very firm, so that's cool. This does look like a size, just a regular basic old size 12. So I think, yeah, going up a half a size will be good. One complaint I heard is that, and I don't really see it here, is that this little dimple type thing here kind of bothers the foot. But as I feel around here, it's not really like that. There's a bit of support there, so hopefully that works out. It says YEEZY in here, Adidas. This shoe's not anything special, to be honest with you. I like the way it looks, though. I'm a fan. It's got that clog look. It looks cozy, but I heard it's not that cozy. I'll give it a walkthrough. I'm definitely going to rock these in the winter time. But they're really green. Yeah, they're more green than blue. I'm kind of upset by that. So I'm going to have to figure out, like, how this fit would look. I do. Ironically, I have a pair of Nike sweatpants that match this perfectly, but we can't go there. And Adidas doesn't really make... I have to look and see if they make colorful sweatpants. I'll have to see. Usually most of my Adidas stuff is like black and white, black and orange. They kind of go with the colors that they use for soccer in most cases, so we'll see. But dog, in hand, like, these are weird. They're different. They're something for people who like to wear interesting shoes. Oh, another thing, they got good heel, back heel padding right here, so no worries about your Achilles there. I think these will be fine. I don't know if I'd rock low profile socks. Definitely pants. I don't see this rocking with shorts. I don't know if you can see it rocking with shorts, but I can't. I'm not going there. If you're in the market for anything like this, I say right now is the best time to buy. The prices are pretty good. They're just above retail. So most you'll be paying all in would probably be about maybe around $260, $270, $200 retail. So when they released on Yeezy Day, people limited release too. So I'm not 100% sure how many pieces are out there, but there's enough on the resale market to, you know, go cop or whatever. Because I think a lot of people saw this and were like, damn, I don't want that. And I'm not sure if they return them or whatever, but I'll definitely, if they restock on retail, if I get a good price on a resale pair, I'll go get another one. But yeah, these I'm giving a solid 7 out of 10. Mainly because, look, I haven't tried this on yet. I'm going to do it on foot, but haven't tried these on yet. I'm unsure of, like, overall what this is going to feel like and look like on my foot. Right now, my wife saw me open this up. She looked at it and was like, what the hell are you doing with your life? And I said, I'm doing it all, babe. I'm doing it all. And this is a big part of it. Tell me what you think of this. The YEEZY Knit Runner Faded Azure. Check out the comments below. I think in brighter light out in the sun, these will look fab. Like this green lightens up and this faded kind of thing effect comes in there. You can see a couple of videos on YouTube like that. I'm just gonna do it on foot in my living room, of course. But yeah, tell me what you think about this in the comments below. Check out my on foot and let me know if you like the YEEZY Knit Runner Faded Azure or any of these knit runners, because they are interesting shoes. Get at me. It's H with no one. Peace. So overall for fit, actually let me get into this. They look crazy on feet. I mean they don't look bad, but they look crazy. I look like an elf walking around with like sweatpants on. Either way, they fit a little weird. Like the top, there is, as people were saying, there is a bit of a stiff upper, like around where that blue is. It's a very, very rigid, hard material that kind of like presses into the top of your foot. It's not painful, but I could probably see it get annoying as you walk. Overall, comfort wise, not too bad. It's a little soft in the back. The front is very, you know, confining. There's obviously no breathability here, nothing of the sort, to be honest with you. And overall, it's just a weird looking piece of footwear. I do, however, think that it's with the right colors, it'll be cool. Like this one to me is cool. Not sure how I could pull it off. I have to see, you know, what I can do. But overall, it is what it is. And fit wise, yes, definitely go a full size up if you have a wider foot. If you have a smaller foot or regular size foot, I'd suggest going at least a half a size up. They're not hard to get on, but there is a bit of, they're just not fit well. Does not fit well at all. Whoever made these, it just was looking aesthetics rather than overall, you know, hey, does it fit the, you know, the size chart? Either way, consumer beware. If you're interested in getting these, if you're a Yeezy person and collect them all, you know, you gotta have at least one pair of all of them. So I'm one of those guys. This will probably be the last pair I buy unless they come out with an incredible colorway that just blows my mind. But this is probably my last pair. And that's all I got. This is H, and I'm out. Peace.